How to prevent birdseed from germinating. Backyard bird watching is a popular hobby and outdoor bird feeders are abundant. A well-stocked bird feeder will attract numerous species of birds together where families can enjoy watching them. But along with the peacefulness this pastime can provide, there can be a disadvantage: birdseed may scatter and germinate, leaving sprouts amid your manicured landscape. Fortunately, this undesirable result can be avoided with a little planning. Things you will need: bird feeder, birdseed, tray. Feeding method: select a bird feeder that features a tray for catching wayward seeds. Alternatively, a tray attachment can be installed to existing bird feeders not already equipped for catching seeds. The objective here is to keep the seeds from falling to the ground in the first place. Dispense the bird seed sparingly. Use only an adequate amount of bird seed so that the birds don't scatter it about. If excess seed is provided, ground-feeding birds will not consume all the seeds and the remaining seeds may sprout. Remove any residual seeds that have fallen to the ground. Leaving fallen seeds behind may lead to sprouting. Seed type: Niger seed is sterilized prior to being imported into the United States and is incapable of germinating. However, Niger seed attracts a limited number of bird species, so other options might be necessary if your goal is to attract a wide variety of birds. Steer away from inexpensive seed mixes, as birds may avoid brands that contain significant amounts of filler seed. A common misconception is that germination can be halted in seeds by heating them to high temperatures in an oven or microwave. Not only does this not prevent germination, but it may cause the nutritional value of the seeds to be diminished.